Hello and welcome back to Excelsior Academy. So again, I'm bringing another different type of numerical which is based on the molecular biology concepts. So guys, please stay tuned and listen very carefully. If not able to understand, please go back again and watch the video because this is also important with respect to your exam point of view as well as the interviews also. Okay, so today's question is, so before I start, guys, don't think that you need to solve all these questions within a second. It's okay even if you take time, especially during the interview. You don't have to be in hurry. You can take your time and give the answer. Okay, so never panic. So let's see the question now. A culture of E. coli is growing in a medium containing NH4Cl. You can see that it is given as N15. It is switched to a medium containing N14 for 3 generation. This is important. Now, what is the molar ratio of hybrid DNA to light DNA at this point? So this is very simple actually. If you see, so what is given is that, let us say that this is your heavy DNA, N15 both, okay, and let's have another color. This is for your N14. Now how it is going to happen? See, in the first generation, let me just clear this thing. So in the first generation, I'm going to have 2 strands of N15, okay. So N15, so how many I'm having? 2. Now first generation, 1, 2, then I'm gonna have, this is N14, okay. Now let's move on to the second generation. This is your second generation. So how I'm going to have 1 of this one, okay. Then I'm going to have this strand as parental strand, then again this as parental strand, and then again the heavy strand is there, right? Now in the second generation, this is going to be a newly synthesized DNA, correct? So every time your this one is N15 and the pink one is your N14. Okay, now this is about the second generation. Now let's go to the third generation. So what will happen in the third generation? Again, we have 1, then this one, then we had both the single stranded, sorry, the light chain, and also the heavy chain, okay. Now again on the third generation, there will be a synthesis of or the replication of DNA like this. So this is your actually third generation. So how many are there? If you count every time in all the generation, you saw that the heavy strand, that is N15 strand, remains constant. It is 2 only. So the question is, what is the ratio of hybrid DNA to light DNA? So N15 to N14 divided by N14 to N14 ratio. It is always going to be twice. Okay. So it becomes 2. What about the rest? If you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So it is 6. So your ratio is 1 by 3. So guys, I hope this is clear. It is easy, right? Now, let's move on to the next question. So what will be the base composition of total DNA synthesized by DNA polymerase on templates if the base composition of one strand is A, adenine 24.7, guanine 24.1, C is cytosines 18.5 and T 32.7. Okay. So let's say that this is your one strand. It is having A, G, C and T. So what are the values here? 24.7, 24.1, 18.5 and here 32.7. Now let's make the second strand. Okay, so how much it is going to be here? T 24.7, C 24.1, G 18.5 and here again A 32.7. Now you need to calculate the total base composition. So how much you are going to get? It is going to be the addition of all this. So A means 24.7 plus 32.7 and half of it because it is in the double stranded, right? So when you add it, you're going to get 28.7 percentage. Similarly, your T, since the values are same. Now when you go for G, these two you need to add up and divide by 2. So how much you're going to get? 28.7 percentage. Oh, sorry, you are going to get as 21%. 0.7 percentage. Okay, so this is how you're going to get, and it's very simple, guys. I'm saying again and again, if you have any doubts, you can ask me anytime. You can message me in the comment also, and there's a Telegram channel by name Exosure Academy. You can join there also. You can put your queries over there also. So till then, take care. All the best for your future exams and interviews. If any other doubts are there, please contact me as soon as possible. Thank you, guys.